Are you looking for a fast, structured strategy on the 1 minute chart? Well, this is the 1 minute Fibonacci Scalping Strategy, which actually works. And it is built for traders who want precision, not guesswork. So basically, this strategy is designed to help you catch quick pullbacks in an existing trend, okay, using the Fibonacci tool as your map. You are not randomly entering trades, okay? You are waiting for price to pull back to specific retracement zones, combining those levels with confirmation and entering with confidence. The first step is to identify the impulsive move, all right? So you have to start by spotting a clean, impulsive move, which is a strong push in one direction on the 1 minute chart. And this is a valid example, guys. You can see that we had a strong impulsive move around here, right? So this is the first step, okay? After you have identified the impulsive move, this could be during London Open or New York session, when volatility is high and the momentum is clean, okay? Once the momentum, or rather once the impulse is complete, you grab your Fibonacci tool, right? Once the impulse is complete, you grab your Fibonacci tool and draw from the swing low to swing high for a bullish move, all right? But if it is a bearish move, it's going to be from swing high to swing low, okay? So, this is a bullish move, so we want to draw from swing low to swing high, right? Now, the next thing for you to do is to focus on the 0.382, 0.5, and 0.618 levels, okay? Because these are high probability zones for price to pull back, pause, and potentially reverse. So here is the rule, okay? Here's the rule. If the trend is strong, price will often react at the 0.382 zone, okay? But if momentum slows, deeper retracements towards 0.5 or 0.618 are common. But in this particular example, as we can see, price got to the 0.618. Can you see that? It was 0.618 where price eventually got rejected and reversed back to the upside. But do not enter blindly, okay? That is where most scalpers fail. Once price reaches one of your Fibonacci levels, it is necessary, all right? This is not negotiable, okay? It is necessary for you to look for confirmation. Now, this could be a bullish or bearish engulfing candle. It could be a rejection wick or a pin bar, right? It could be a break of structure on the micro trend, or it could be a volume spike, depending on your platform. Now, in this particular example, as you can see that we had a pin bar around here, right? You can see just after this bullish candle, which was not a bullish engulfing because it did not engulf the previous bearish candle, so it was not a bullish engulfing. But you can see that we actually kind of had a pin bar around here, which gave us our confirmation. Okay, it's necessary to get a confirmation. This confirmation adds conviction and helps filter out weak pullbacks. Now, the fourth step is to enter the trade, set your stop loss, and set your profit target, right? So you enter on the close of the confirmation candle, okay? So in this case, we are going to be entering the trade around here. That's our confirmation candle, right? We're entering around that confirmation candle. and then our stop loss is going to be just below the swing low, because this is a buy trade, so it's just going to be below the swing low, right? And then our take profit is going to be, we can actually use Fibonacci level. All right, we can actually use Fibonacci levels for our take profit. You can actually use Fibonacci levels. You can just probably target the high for this, or if you want, you can use Fibonacci extension tool. All right, common exit levels for the Fibonacci extension include the 1%, 1.0, which is 100%, or maybe the 1.272 or 1.618, all of that, right? Or you can even decide to trail your stop using structure, locking in profits as price moves in your favor, right? The goal is quick execution with strict risk control. Now, you might be wondering when to use this strategy. In case if you are having such thoughts, use this strategy during high volume sessions like the London Open, which is between 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. GMT. All right. And, or, you can also use it during the New York Open, which is, between 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. EST. Right? So avoid low liquidity zones, news events, or sideways markets. Okay, they'll chew up your entries and hit stops without follow through. Okay, stick to momentum driven setups where price is moving cleanly in one direction. Okay, it is very, very important. Now, the power of this 1 minute Fibonacci scalping strategy is in its simplicity and repeatability. You are not chasing, you are waiting. You know the zones, you've defined the confirmation, you are managing your risk, right? So that is what turns scalp trading from chaos into clarity. Okay, so if this video helped you understand how to structure your 1 minute scalps using Fibonacci, hit that like button and subscribe for more no BS trading breakdowns every day. Okay, we break down trading strategies, and of course you level up and we go together. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.